Namaste. This is Dharini Veeraraghavan and Vaishnavi Veeraraghavan. We are both students of the FY DLED course and we are very happy to be part of the Navaratri celebrations in our college. The number 9 in itself is a very significant digit in our mathematical system as well as our cultural system. In mathematics, the 9 digit features many unique characteristics and properties and it's magical in its own way. Culturally speaking, there are 9 rasas, the Navarasas, and 9 kinds of bhakti, the Navavidha bhakti, and we will be celebrating Navaratri, the 9 nights of the Divine Mother. Shakti is the force that is present inside each of us, which helps us fulfill all our goals through actions. It is what keeps us alive and active all the time. Be it talking, be it dancing, be it singing, or each and every movement in itself is her form. The speciality of Navaratri is that we not only celebrate the Divine Mother's motherly and pleasant side, but we also equally celebrate her rigorous and wild and ferocious side equally, which is why we can see her both of her forms through nature. Over to Vaishnavi, who will explain about the tradition of Golu.
I feel really happy presenting in front of you today on this auspicious celebration by our college of Navratri. Celebrated across India, Navratri is commemorated over a period of 9 days, starting the day after Malaya Amavasya, and is an ode to the all-pervading feminine power. This festival culminates with grand celebration on the 10th day, which is also called as Vijayadashami or the Dashera. While the worship of the Divine Mother is done in different ways in different regions of this country, the festival in the southern states of India celebrate the victory of Goddess Durga against the demon Mahishasura. In Tamil Nadu especially, we celebrate it by putting up an artistic arrangement of dolls, as you can see, which is called as Bommai Golu. That is sometimes is also called as Golu. Navratri Golu takes precedence in such ways. A colorful and interesting custom, Bommai Golu or Kolu, as it is called in Tamil, means divine presence. The toys or dolls symbolically represent divinity and are believed to be the assembly of the goddess who is out on a mission to defeat the demon, which happens on the 10th day. The dolls are placed in a step-like arrangement and the number of steps is usually 9. Steps are usually 9. But it could be less or more, but it should always be in odd numbers. Over to Dharini.
Today we will be presenting a song on Goddess Sharada, the goddess of learning and wisdom. This song is tuned in Hamir Kalyani Ragam, set to Mishra Chapu Talam. It has been composed by the saint of Sringeri, His Holiness Sri Chandrasekhara Bharati Mahaswami.
Sanajanam
सराजनान् चारणादिमगीतवैभव पूरिताखिलदीप्तटे शारदे करुणानिधे सरलानवाम्ब सराजनान् चारणादिमगीतवैभव पूरिताखिलदीप्तटे शारदे करुणानिधे सकलानवाम्ब सराजनान् चारणादिमगीतवैभव पूरिताखिलदीप्तटे शारदे करुणानिधे धर्मभूषण भूषिते वररत्नमौलिविराजिते धर्मभूषण भूषिते वररत्नमौलिविराजिते शर्मदायिनि कर्ममोचनि निर्मलं कुरु मानसं शारदे करुणानिधे सकलानवाम्ब सराजनान् चारणादिमगीतवैभव पूरिताखिलदीप्तटे शारदे करुणानिधे हस्तसन्धृत पुस्तकाक्षपटी सुधाघट मूलिके हस्तसन्धृत पुस्तकाक्षपटी सुधाघट मूलिके कस्तवास्ति वर्णने चतुरोनन खचरोधवा शारदे करुणानिधे सकलानवाम्ब सराजनान् चारणादिमगीतवैभव पूरिताखिलदीप्तटे